blasting off and cleaning your suspension is one thing, but protecting your suspension and your investment is a whole nother deal. Now, traditional protection methods don't necessarily allow you to get in here and really protect your suspension. But with Toytec's Coilover Protectant, it makes protecting your suspension super easy. Toytec has teamed up with Adams Polishes to bring you top-notch car care products. I'm Joe with Adams Polishes, and today, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use Toytec Coilover Protectant. Now, with traditional protection methods, you'd have to get a wax applicator and a sealant, and you'd have to go in here and apply it with an applicator and all that. Forget that, okay? Coilover Protecting is a very unique way to protect your suspension, and what this is going to do as well is it's going to get into all the nooks and crannies and intricate areas of your aftermarket suspension and protect them, making it a lot easier to clean after you've been out on the trails or off-roading or even just daily driving. So let me show you exactly how you use Coilover Protectant. We've gone ahead and we've already thoroughly cleaned all of the suspension parts here on this 4Runner. And instead of letting that dry after we've rinsed it, we're not letting the water dry. We're actually gonna take the Coilover Protectant and we're gonna spray this directly onto all of the suspension parts. I'm liberally spraying the Coilover Protectant on everything that I want to be protected. So we doused all the suspension parts with the Coilover Protectant, and now we're gonna let that sit for about 15 to 30 seconds. And what it's gonna do is the protection agents in this, which it actually has silica, which is a form of ceramic, it's gonna adhere to all the suspension components and it will protect it and be hydrophobic after we rinse it off with the pressure washer. So what we're doing is we're allowing the Coilover Protectant to do its own job. We don't need to go in and apply it with an applicator or anything like that. We can allow that product to work without us having to agitate it or do anything like that. All right, it's been about 30 seconds. So now all we have to do is use the pressure washer that we've been using this whole time, and we just have to pressure wash this off. And you will see when we pressure wash this off, it will all be hydrophobic, meaning the water's gonna beat up and it's gonna vacate the surface very quickly. And what that means is it is now protected, and the mud and the road grime and all of that won't stick. And if it does stick a little bit, when you pressure wash your car the next time, it's all gonna come flying off with ease. So let's get the protectant off and you can see the hydrophobic properties on the suspension now. So as you can see, the Coilover Protectant gives it a nice hydrophobic protection without having to apply anything with an applicator or anything like that. It is super easy. It's just a simple spray, let sit, and rinse off, and you're done. The Coilover Protectant is absolutely the perfect product to protect your investment of aftermarket suspension. Now, if you want to learn how to protect and dress the fender liner, you're going to check out Toytec's undercarriage spray. This is a great product for making your undercarriage nice and black, but it's going to put a thin coating of silica and silicone onto your fender liner, making it so mud and dirt and grime are not going to stick to it, making it easier to clean every time you go and clean your car.